Hello there, ladies and gents of the internet. I'm gonna finish this formula. So I have an anecdote, short story. I don't know if I should be, incorporating this little anecdotes into the videos. Well, here it is. I got a call from a client, and he wanted me to fix a neon sign for him. It was a NFL neon sign. He was local, so I just told him, bring it in, I'll check it, and I'll give you the price and tell you how long it'll be to fix. So he came in, and it was and like I said, an NFL neon sign. And he said, "This is my favorite team, NFL team." He said, and they're playing in the Super Bowl. The Super Bowl was about a week away. And he said, I have to have it fixed and lighted up. And I said, yes, sure. And I said, I can have it in 2 days. But I was curious because he said I have to have it lit, light it up or lit. And he started to tell me. I didn't ask him. He said, "What happened?" He said, "Is that a few years ago, this same sign," he said, "broke, and the team was playing the following few days, and he said, and my team lost." And he said, I'm not very superstitious, but I don't want to risk it," he said. "I don't want my team to lose the Super Bowl. I want them to win, of course." And he said, "That's why I need I have to have the sign lit while I'm watching the game," he said, "because I'm afraid that if it's not lit, if it's broken, they'll lose the Super Bowl." And I said, I understand. No problem. I'll fix it. You'll have your sign, lit and working, and your team is probably going to win. I don't remember if his team won or not, but the sign was fixed, and he was very happy to have his sign working again. So, thanks to me, his team probably won. It's all because of me. Because I fixed the sign. That's why his team won. So that's a small little story. You never know, maybe he was right. I had to change eyeglasses. So you tell me, all you people that are watching the video, number one question. Should I keep on going with the anecdote stories, or should I just drop it? You tell me, people of YouTube. But please tell me. I know that there's millions and millions of people watching. I know it. I just know it. The thing is that they want to be anonymous. So you tell me, the number one question is, should I keep on telling the stories, or should I drop it? Number two question is, I forgot the number two question. I'll remember. I am done with this thing. Now to the pumping.